Welcome to this quick demo of AI Storybook. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how anyone, yes, even if you've never written a book before, can create fun, interactive, and totally personalized children's books in just a few clicks. Let's jump right in. This is your main dashboard. Think of it as your creative command center. At the top, you've got some handy buttons like Let's Create, Manage Teams, DFY Setup, White Label Access, Bonuses, Tutorials, and Settings. Everything here is built to keep things smooth, simple, and stress-free. In the center, you'll see some helpful stats, like how many people have viewed your books, how many leads you've collected, all shown with clean, easy-to-read graphs. On the right, you'll get a quick snapshot of total AI books you've created, flipbooks, photo books, and even direct reader feedback. And just below that, your favorite and recently created books are all lined up and easy to access. Now on the left-hand side, you'll find the main menu where all the magic happens. AI Book Creator, Graphic Editor, Feedback Manager, even a full library of done-for-you books, Sell Book, and book bundles. Everything's easy to use, even if this is your first time trying something like this. All right, let's make our first book. Click on Create New Book, and you'll see 4 options pop up. AI Book, Create from Scratch, Flipbook, and Photo Book. Let's go ahead and start with an AI book to see how fast and fun this can be. Let's create your first book step by step. Choose how you want to start. On the book creation screen, you'll get a few options for how to begin your book. Description, just type in a story idea or prompt. PDF, upload an existing file if you already have one. URL, paste a web page link and let AI Storybook pull the content for you. Let's keep it simple and go with description. Type something like Tommy the Talking Tornado, a fun adventure, catchy title idea. Customize your book settings. Now we make it truly yours. Start by selecting a category, for example, a single storybook or a learning book. Based on that, you'll choose a subcategory to guide the story structure. Then adjust your creative preferences. Writing style. Choose from rhyming, storytelling, and more. Tone. Decide whether it should be playful, educational, adventurous, etc. AI model. Use the default or pick from other advanced models like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, and more. You can also set language, English, Spanish, German, whatever suits your audience. Chapters, how many chapters you want. Words per chapter, how many words per chapter for bite-sized storytelling. Once all your settings are in place, hit generate. After waiting for a few seconds, your chapters will be generated. The AI will write the full story, chapter by chapter, based on your inputs. Not happy with a chapter? You can tweak it anytime. There's also a magic wand tool to enhance any section instantly, making it sound more creative or polished. When you're happy with the content, click Save and Next at the top right. Edit or add book content. At the top, you'll see the book name auto-generated based on your story. Want to change it? You can. Just click and update. Right below, you'll find the list of chapters created from your inputs. On the right side of each chapter, you'll see your editor. This is where the magic happens. This tool is great for non-writers or anyone short on time. Background tool. Let's design your book pages with our background tool. You can choose from color, pick a solid background color, gradient, blend 2 or more colors smoothly, image, upload or select a picture. Template, ready-made theme designs. Static, still backgrounds with fun illustrations. Animated, moving elements that bring your pages to life. Media tools. Add different types of media to make your book more engaging. Image generator. Stock images. Upload your own. Kids icons. Next, link tool and Video tool, perfect for turning a simple story into an interactive experience. This editor gives you full creative control. Write, style, and enhance your story in just a few clicks. Now, make a book. Once you're happy with your edits, click Save Chapter before moving on. Design your book cover. You've got 3 easy options. Create with AI. Just describe the cover you want. The AI will design one for you instantly. Upload your own. Already have a custom cover? Great, just upload it here. Use ready-made covers. Pick from a collection of pre-designed templates. Apply with a single click. Once you're happy with the cover, click Save, and Next to move on. Now you have reached the final settings option. You're almost there. Just a few final touches to make your book ready to publish and share. Meta details, optional but powerful. Add a book meta banner. This is a small image that shows up when you share your book link on social media or websites. You can also add subtitle, a short line that supports or explains the main title. Short description, a quick summary of your book's content or purpose. Reading mode options. Choose how your readers will enjoy your book. Flip mode, great for laptops, gives a real book-like feel. Tablet mode, perfect for mobile or tablet reading, like a Kindle experience. Reader background, set the background that suits your story's mood. Solid color, gradient, custom background image. Live preview helps you see changes in real time. Talking section, narration options. Bring your book to life by adding narration. You've got 2 choices. AI voice. Choose from 1,500 plus AI voices in multiple languages.
Hi, my name is Charles.
Hi, my name is Harold.
Ideal for global audiences. Clone your voice. Record and use your own voice to tell the story. Perfect for personal connection and branding. Whether you're creating for kids, education, or storytelling, this feature adds a whole new layer of engagement. Next, select your autoresponder. Choose the list where responses will be saved, then type the page number where the form should appear. That's it. Now readers can leave their thoughts, and you'll collect valuable feedback automatically. You're just 1 click away. Hit Publish Book to take your story live. Congratulations! Once published, you'll land on a confirmation screen with all the tools to grow your reach. Unique book link, share it instantly on social media, or send directly to your audience. Embed code, easily place your book on any website or blog. Visibility options, make your book public, private, or even password protected. Publish date and last updated info, track changes, and show freshness. QR code, instantly share your book offline. Just download and post it on flyers, posters, or social media.